Hi, I'm Paige. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make some really easy, really good granola bars. A friend of ours gave us this recipe a couple of years ago and we have been making them ever since because they are just so good and they're so easy to make. So today I'm going to show you how we do it. We're going to start off by setting our oven to 350 and we are going to use a large microwavable bowl to combine our wet ingredients first. Then I give everything a nice good stir until everything is pretty much well combined. Then I'm going to pop this into the microwave for about 10 seconds. Now I'm not aiming to get this mixture hot. I want it just heated up long enough so that the coconut oil can melt. Then I stir everything together really well to make sure all of it is well combined. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients right on top of this mixture. Then we're going to jump in and start mixing this up until everything is well combined. Now you'll want to take out a 9 by 13 inch dish and line it with some parchment paper. Now I like to add my ingredients in layers, that way I can make sure all of the chocolate chips and dried cranberries are evenly dispersed. Then I just take my rubber spatula and I just use it to pat all of the ingredients down really well. I also use the rubber spatula to go along the sides of the dish and just clean up the edges. After that, I take my hands and I press firmly all around the mixture to make sure everything is packed in tight. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it gets out, I let it cool for about 20 minutes and I put it in the freezer for 2 hours for it to chill. When they get done chilling, I take them out of the freezer and I cut them into bars. Alright guys, that is my granola bar recipe. I usually store these individually in a fold top Ziploc bag and I just keep them in my refrigerator. That way they're easy to grab and go if I'm in a hurry. These are really good to satisfy a sweet craving, or if you're feeling a little hangry, these will definitely curb your hunger. If you guys are interested in making homemade bread, I publish a new video making a new type of bread each week and I will link that playlist right here for you guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you guys next time.